Panorama shooting instructions. Step 1. Go to the shooting location. Step out onto the balcony of the building under construction, on the floor from which the panorama is planned. For example, if the apartment is located on the 5th floor, it is best to shoot from the 5th floor. Step 2. Position yourself correctly. Stand as close as possible to the balcony railing fence so that the floor and walls of the balcony do not appear in the frame. Please do not extend your hands with the phone beyond the edge of the balcony to ensure your phone's safety. Step 3. Activate panorama mode. Once you are positioned correctly and have ensured that the floor and balcony walls are not in the frame, enable the panorama mode on your phone. Step 4. Start shooting. Hold the phone steadily and start shooting from the left edge, slowly moving to the right edge. Make sure that the horizon line, visible in panorama mode, remains at a consistent level throughout the entire shot. Step 5. Repeat for better results. Please repeat and create 3 versions for each location so that our system can adapt the most suitable one. Step 6. Additional positions, if applicable. If your building allows for taking panoramic shots from different spots, we kindly ask you to do so. This way, if necessary, we can merge several panoramas into one. Weather recommendations. It is best to shoot in sunny weather. It is preferable to have clouds in the sky, but no dark rain clouds.